Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the basic personality theorem, which is related from the chapter triangles of class 10. And before this, you know all the basic things about the similarity of triangles. And to take this similarity, Thales, as a Greek mathematician, developed a idea about this relation, equate the ratios. So he find the ratios of any two sides of a triangle if a line draw parallel to one side always equal. Basic proportionality theorem already related to proportionality means equating two ratios form a proportion. Theorem is a logical statement which is proved by a logical methods. This is a statement we have proved by some logics. Now, what he stated, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. तो जब हम थ्योरम्स को पढ़ते हैं, थ्योरम को प्रूव करना है, तो सबसे पहले हम एनालाइज करते हैं, एनालिसिस करते हैं स्टेटमेंट से। स्टेटमेंट को एनालाइज करने का मतलब है कि हाउ व्हाट द टर्म इज गिवन, व्हाट वी वांट टू प्रूव, देन आफ्टर व्हाट द कंस्ट्रक्शन इज नीडेड, वी अप्लाई हियर। तो सबसे पहले एक एक लाइन करके हम पढ़ते हैं और उसी से फिगर भी ड्रा करते हैं। If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, first we draw a triangle, one line draw which is parallel to BC to intersect other two sides in distinct points. This line intersect AB and AC side at point D and E respectively. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This D divides the side AB and AC in the same ratio, means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So the things should be clear. What the given statement, what we want to prove. Given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to side BC intersect other two sides AB and AC at D and E respectively. To prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now, how we prove it? It means we draw the figure and draw some construction. There are some constructions needed, because when we apply this ratio, easily we have used the area of triangle. So for this, draw, and for the area of triangle, there is a perpendicular is needed. So in this triangle ADE, we draw two perpendicular DM from D on AC and EN perpendicular on AB, and also join BDE and CED. So basic things we know about the area of triangle is half of base into height. So this triangle ADE, first we take this base AD and perpendicular EN. Area of triangle ADE is equal to half of AD into EN. And again for the same triangle, if we take base AE and perpendicular DM, we find half of AE into DM. So these are the two area of triangle from different bases, and एरिया किसी भी बेस को लेकर के हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं किसी ट्रायंगल का, तो हम उसका एरिया किसी भी ट्रायंगल का हमेशा सेम होगा। नाउ एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDE, ADE and BDE, because if we are not taking BDE, we are not find AD upon DB. So ADE area when we take with BDE triangle's area, ratio of these two we find half of AD into N and BDE, because it is an obtuse triangle. See here, BDE. So base is BD, but perpendicular we have draw here and extend this EN as a perpendicular. So area of BDE half of BD into EN. These two things are cancelled and we have AD upon BD. Again, this triangle ADE and CED. So at this time we take AE as a base and DM as a perpendicular. So half of AE into DM and DEC triangle. Again same process. DEC is an obtuse angle triangle. Now find its area as half AE into DM, half CE into DM. Cancelled out, we get AE upon C. These are two results we have find with the help of area ratio. And we know in class 9th, already we have studied this area theorem. Triangle BDE and triangle CED are drawn on same base D and line between same parallel D parallel to BC. And we know about the statement. If two triangles are drawn on the same base and line between same parallel, their areas are equal. So these two triangles are drawn on the same base D and D parallel to BC. So these two triangles also lie between two parallel lines. So their areas are equal. Now, in first, if we replace BDE by CED, so we have got two ratios are same because numerator is same. And therefore their values are also same. Now, this statements we have proved here, and there are some application part also there. Now, we have discussed it. When we add 1 in this result, AD upon BD equal to AE upon C, add 1 on both sides. Because two ratios are given, we add same number, we subtract same, the value remains same. So AD upon BD plus 1 AE upon C plus 1. Now take LCM, BD, what's we get? AD plus BD is equal to same way AE plus C upon C. See the figure, AD plus DB is equal to AB. AE plus C is equal to AC upon C. Now again we use this result also, or BD upon AB is equal to C upon AC. So we use these results and also we subtract 1 from both sides. We have got the same result in this one. If you subtract 1 on both sides, again we have got the same result. So this is the application part of this theorem, how we use this proportionality in different forms. Thank you. Now we have discussed the converse of basic proportionality theorem.